Muito easy.
I hate you so much. I think I'm going to die from it.
Times they didn't came out very well. So yeah, Portugal just have to find a way to score the first goal, because I think if they score the first goal.
Good morning all. We have, can you, there, a little guess. Please excuse my attire. I have done another workout this morning, which is great. I'm feeling good doing the workouts again. It's been 3 days in a row now. I only do 10 minutes at a time, or like 15, 20-minute workouts or something. Please excuse that bag there as well. We had KFC yesterday, but because of all the renovations and stuff that we've been doing, our bins are fully full, but they get picked up today, which is good. So hopefully we'll be back to normal with the bin situation, because all the clear outs has literally meant that we're waiting like every 2 weeks for the bins to be cleared. So hopefully this week we'll be back to normal. But I've been meaning to do this for a while, but I've been wanting to make some homemade granola. So I think I have everything I need. I'm currently looking at BBC Good Food recipe. There is a bunch of seeds in there which I should have got. I don't have any of that, but that's fine. I'll just do without this time. But yeah, I got some fresh Greek yogurt yesterday, so I want to, hello baby, come say hi. Yeah, you want out, I know. I'll take you out in a minute. I know. You want to say hi to everyone. He wants outside, but he's not allowed outside until we're there because he's an escape artist. Good boy. So we only let him out when he's with us. But what was I going to say? Yeah, naughty day yesterday. Ordered some KFC while football was on, and I'm probably going to make myself another smoothie, or should I wait for the granola to be done? Because it says like bake for 15 minutes and then bake for another 10 to 15 minutes with the dried fruit and stuff, and then let it cool. maybe I'll wait. I'm not massively hungry right now. It's 8:30, not even. House stuff. I will be finally ordering the dining table this week, which is exciting. So I'm actually going to get some paint as well this week. So you'll see that in the next video. That will be good because we've just been, basically the kitchen's all done and looks nice, and then you look at the dining room and it's good that we've cleared it out already, but it's just annoying that it just looks a bit crap. And oh, also the chairs that we got from Marketplace. I need to get some matte paint for them. I do have like a little bit from when we touched up the windows upstairs in the bedroom, but I need to touch up that mirror that I did because I didn't do a great job of masking. Also, I was in the bright sunlight, so I couldn't really see like where I was missing bits. So, and it's only little can anyway, so it's not going to cover the chairs. So I need to get some paint for the chairs. Hopefully it'll look a little bit nicer, because obviously we've got one red chair and 3 wood and green chairs, which just looks a bit odd at the moment. I mean, I don't mind the mismatched farmhousey style, but not with that much colour. I was trying to get rid of colour in the house and now I've brought it back in. But upcycle project for the towards the end of this week, because it's Wednesday already. So oh, I actually have just finished my workout, so I am very, very tired. Not tired, just still trying to catch my breath. Okay, let's gather what we need for this recipe, I guess. And more football today. It's going to be sunny out, so I'm not going to bother showering because I'm probably going to lay out for a little bit. It's going to be 29 degrees today. But then, as usual with the British weather, it's going to rain for a good week and a bit. But then hopefully we get a bit of the warmth back. I mean, the British like to complain about the heat anyway, so it's not too bad to bring in a bit of cooler weather for everyone to just have a breather from the heat, and then we go back into it, because the British can't handle heat, trust me. Not in this country anyway. We can handle the heat on holiday, just not here. It becomes too stuffy if you live in a city anyway. But again, once again, I'm rambling massively, so let's do this. I'm a bit annoyed I don't have the sesame seeds. I probably should have added them in. Anyway, let's just see how this goes. I'm sure it'll work out. It's fine.